Day 47 now. They haven't noticed that I'm here. I haven't been that thirsty because they got all the bottles of water right here. And I have my dog. I don't have my other dog because I got hungry. So I sent it to go get me some food. Day 48. There was a close call yesterday. They almost noticed me. But I think I'm good. We're moving farther and farther away from, I don't know, somewhere. And now, I think that they're trying to gather wood for an evil weapon that is going to eliminate all squirrels from the universe. It's been 3 days since the last time I've seen a squirrel. And it's been 2 hours since the last time I've seen a rabbit. I did not even notice that there was a chainsaw here. A freaking chainsaw? Oh, and I also found my other Doge. Hello, Doge. The road is getting incredibly bumpy now, but at least I found my other Doge. Day 49. Day 50. I think I died yesterday, but then I think that after I died, I wasn't actually dead. So then, I woke up. Oh no, this is bad. I've lost the other Doge. I don't know where the other Doge is. Hey, Doge. Where's Doge? Doge doesn't know where the other Doge is. I have no clue where we are now. I legitimately am lost. There's a big spooky tree. Oh, is that an evil? I've just been attacked by that tree. I don't know where we're going, but I think that they're trying to take me to their evil lair, where they can try to see if they can turn me into a squirrel. Frick, gotta go. Day 51. My truck is now filled with wooden stuff. I think that they're using them as weapons to eliminate squirrels. One of them looked me straight in the eye, but I don't think that they saw me because I was able to disguise myself as a cactus. Thank goodness they didn't spot me. Otherwise, they might have tried to turn me into a squirrel. Now that I'm here, I must try and destroy all of their evil weapons so that they can't kill squirrels. Because if they kill all the squirrels, then my Doge won't be able to chase the squirrel. Where's my Doge? Doge! Oh, there's Doge. Doge. Okay, bye, Doge. Doge doesn't want to come. I still have... Day 52. We stopped at a cabin for a little bit, but we left because the cabin had a spider and we were all scared, so we ran out and panicked for our lives. But, however, I found a Gatorade in the cabin. It's half drank and probably has a bunch of flies in it, but that's okay, because I'm the best at drinking flies. As you can see, it's still pretty bright out, and I'm about to be slapped in the face by a bunch of trees. Trees don't like me, so I get slapped in the face a lot. And that is why I hate trees, because they slap me in the face. What am I doing with my life? It's day, I don't know what day it is. It's day, day 50 something and a half, I think. And now, I think they're transporting me to their evil lair. Wait a minute! I recognized that place before. That's the place that we've been going around for the past 3.5 hours. I know we're close to somewhere. They're geniuses. They must know what they're doing. I think... Oh no, this is the only explanation. The only explanation is that they're taking me back to their evil lair and going to do squirrel experiments on me. Why else would they have these squirrel eliminating weapons? They have this ugly spear, and they have this, what the heck is that? I don't even know what to call that. Doges. My Doges are trying to save me. This is my last hope. My Doges. If my Doges don't save me, then I'm going to be a squirrel. I've had to escape. They're doing evil things with that chainsaw that I saw earlier. They're doing very bad things. Here, look. Gotta sneak around.